In today's, I had to undo this and I gotta put it down here. But the big thing is I gotta put a grommet in line up here. So that's the big thing. Dang, look at that. Engine paint. Orange because you got Mopar motor. That's not how that works at all. Fucking awesome. Just do it Mopar. Orange in that? It's Mopar. It's not Mopar. It is. Mitsubishi. It's Mopar. I don't know if you know what Mopar means, but that ain't it. It was imported for Chrysler. They didn't put their motor in there. Does not matter at all. You want to win car shows? Because that's how you win. That's how you lose everything. Full-blown piston, bare-handed piston. That's right. Pull the sleeve up for this one. It's going in deep. Well, my camera died at the last time, so might as well make this ending for this video. But we got it all wrapped all the way and super extended. I just got to run a power. I got to run it up, back, and then back down into here. But I'll have to cut it one more time. I'll probably just cut it down here where I had already done this, cut this out, because I got to feed it through the firewall. But yeah, otherwise it turned out pretty good. I got a whole lot of wire to reach now. So, but alright, see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.